Hello YouTube, Salivate Metal here. The very soft and cuddly kitty part 2, the sequel, and I would like to bring to your attention the CDN Weekly Gray Sheet, which is a publication distributed among coin dealers across the United States. And it is a weekly report on the wholesale U.S. rare coin market. This particular issue is dated February 5th, 2016. It just goes to show you how fast the precious metals prices have gone up even since the publication of this article or this issue. And we're going to go over the first part of a multifaceted headline about silver hiccups and holds and large cent shine at Goldberg. The portion concerning precious metals I will read to you, initiating with precious metals have rallied nicely in recent trading sessions, with silver very briefly breaking through the $14.50 level. However, on Thursday, January 28th, an obscure and unprecedented event occurred which managed to put the brakes on the rally and caused silver spot to flash crash over 20 cents. On this day, the afternoon London fix, the daily benchmark price at which many contracts are settled, was set at $13.58 per ounce, despite the fact that the global spot price was $14.42 per ounce. This abnormally large spread in price undoubtedly caused those locked-in contracts to lose money and has called into question the entire fixing mechanism, which is run by 5 main bullion banks. I will pause here to say that the system was completely reorganized last year from how it was handled when people met in person from many more banks since probably the 1600s. And this new system, I believe, is done through the telephone conversations of representatives of 5 major bullion banks. Continuing on, the deeper issue is whether price discovery for gold and silver spot in its current form is dysfunctional and inaccurate relative to physical supply and demand. This in turn would skew gold and silver's perception in the eyes of investors and especially the public. And the people at the CDN Weekly say that they will keep an eye on this, as these developments have a tremendous impact on the U.S. coin and bullion market. Strong demand for bullion also sparks demand for rare coins, and bullion sales generate significant cash flow for dealers. So very, very interesting. And we're seeing these types of things become more and more exposed. And over the past, really since about 2007, 2008, many people are very skeptical about the paper versus the metal markets and the representation thereof. So quite fascinating, this article, bringing to light January 28th could almost be like a D-Day type scenario in the precious metals markets. And it should give us, at the very least, it should give those of us who pay attention to these types of matters confidence in what we are doing in acquiring these precious metals is a smart way to go. This particular publication does not dabble in conspiracy or any of that sort of thing. So we can pretty much trust that if they are printing this information, that it is something that is well documented and backed up. So very fascinating indeed, and thought I would bring this to your attention. Post your thoughts below on this development that had occurred, and we need to clean up the mess, just as this very soft and cuddly kitty does to clean the body and the fur of this creature here. So there you have it. Post your thoughts below. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching, and encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.